time has come. We're back on the road again. It's been a while, but Burgess Bus is back. The thought makes us smile.
Well, hi folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
And this is Burgess Bus. Sorry we've not put any videos out. We've been really busy, haven't we?
Yeah.
Since we got back from Belgium, you weren't well over there, was you?
No.
That took us a little while to get Carol back on her feet. Then we had hospital appointments left, right and centre, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's just part of getting old.
Really sucks, you know.
Yeah. Then we've had work done on the motorhome.
Yeah, plenty or loads.
I think we're now got everything done, haven't we?
I
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had the levelling system put on. That was by A&E at A&E Leisure up in Northwich.
Yeah.
We also took it back to get the air suspension done there.
Yeah.
We then took it down to Off-Grid Solutions down in Wantage in Oxfordshire, and we've had the lithium battery installed and all the
solar panels.
Yeah, the Victron
Yeah.
inverter and everything, haven't we?
Really pleased with it all.
Yeah, that was well worth it. We
Yeah.
had so we got, what is it, 460 amp hour? No, yeah, 460 amp hour lithium battery.
You're asking me?
Yeah. Put on that. We'll just see how that works, and we might double that up, mightn't we?
We might,
if we need to.
Yeah.
We had 860 watts of solar panels put on. Everything's Victron, apart from the battery. The battery is gosh, what's the name of it? Foresight. I'll put it in at the bottom. We've also, this week, we've had the heating system sorted, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've had the fluid, the antifreeze changed in the Audi heating system. Sorry?
That went well as well.
Yeah, that was good. That was all right. We did price it up to have it done with the fluid, didn't we?
Yeah.
And it was horrendous. It was going to cost us well over £400 they wanted.
Yeah.
So we ended up buying the fluid ourselves, and it was £100.
Yep.
Yep. So we can't complain at that. If any of you are thinking to get joining a caravan club, I would suggest looking at the Caravan and Motorhome Club. It's well worth the money. The campsites are brilliant.
The perks are good as well.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I was going to say. The perks that you get with it is even better. We had a discount off the levelling system and the air suspension, didn't we?
Yeah.
And not only did we get the discount, with the levelling system, we had the upgrade to the self-weighing.
Yeah.
That was £600 alone, and that was free. So, pay your membership with the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
I think we joined just at the right time.
Yeah, that saved us a lot of money there.
Yeah.
We also got the discount from the Off-Grid Solutions. That paid for itself.
Yeah.
Over. With the joining the club, it paid for itself. Then, when we was looking at buying the antifreeze for the heating system, we shopped around, and I did a Google search, and the Caravan and Motorhome Club came up in their shop, and we was able to buy the fluid, because we needed 20 litres for this motorhome, at £36.
Yeah.
Yeah, £36 for 4 litres. The cheapest we could find on eBay was just under £50. So, as you can imagine, we paid what, two-thirds of the price most people are selling it at. So again, it was worth it. So yeah, my advice is if you want to join any caravan club, look at the Caravan and Motorhome Club. It's not expensive. Their campsites are reasonable, aren't they?
Yeah.
And I can't complain. You know, everything we've done on the motorhome has been subsidised basically from discounts.
Yeah, yeah. The workmanship was good.
Yeah,
As well.
I'm really pleased with both A&E, the work they've done on it,
Yeah.
and Off Grid Solutions. They were brilliant. I can't recommend them any more than say use them.
Well, this is it, yeah.
I highly recommend them. They were really friendly. The team worked really hard and long hours to get the motorhome done over 2 days,
Yeah.
and they allowed me, didn't they,
Yeah.
to stop on their premises while they was doing it, which was even great. And that is about it, really, isn't it, up to now?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I know that. We do that at the end, can't we?
Yeah.
What's she like? You know.
Pika Beaver.
Yeah, so that's it, really. That's where we are. We have got plans for next year, haven't we? Yeah.
Hopefully.
So we hope to get out and about a lot more.
Yeah.
Again, we are governed by, unfortunately, school holidays.
Hospitals.
Yeah, and hospital appointments. But we will be out and about, and we will be going back over to Europe.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, maybe Ireland, depending.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
going to go to a few more places
Yeah,
than we
that's it.
normally go to.
So yeah, stick with us, and I'd like to thank you all, our subscribers and non-subscribers who are watching. Surprised us, isn't it? What was it? 68%.
Yeah.
Yeah, 68% of our viewers aren't subscribed, which surprised me. But also, if you are a my tongue's gone. If you are a subscriber, double check that you are still subscribed,
Yeah.
because we've noticed that
Some of them.
some of the people we follow, for some reason, YouTube dropped our subscription, so we've had to resubscribe.
Yeah.
But yeah, please do that. It always pays to leave a comment, doesn't it? We answer every single comment
Yes,
that's
we
put
do.
there.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you don't mind leaving a comment. But that's it. Let's say what she's been nagging me to say. Merry Christmas
Happy New Year.
to everyone. We hope to see you in the new year. I hope your Christmas works out to be perfect. I can't say cheers with a drink, but a cup of tea would do. Cheers, everyone. See you in the new year.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah,
Stay safe
that's
and
it.
happy travelling.
That's it. Love you all.
Love ya.
Bye for now.
Bye.